Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back.
Hello, good morning. So today is Saturday and I'm going to be going out today with mom and my other sister. I don't know the place we're going to yet, but I'm going to be leaving the location at the video, so stay tuned for that. Now I'm just going to go get dressed and I'm literally not going to do any makeup on my face. I don't have the strength for that, so let's move.
Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the worst can sting, I wouldn't change a thing. Cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. By the phone, hoping you'll.
So we're back and I have my bath already. I'm currently in Daniel's room because he left the house for me. I don't think I'm going to bed. I still have like some things I want to edit. I think this has healed already. So happy.
I get the vibe that you're distant. There's something about you that's different. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again.
Hey loves, good morning. So today is Monday. It's almost 12. I just finished with my house chore. Today I'm just going to clean up my room. After this I'll have my bath. I would be going to pick up something at the post office for my other brother, and I would also go pick up something else from KineMaster. Also go get something at Coastal. So I think that was all for today, but before I go I'm going to clean this place up, so let's do that for now.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Late leave my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be some.
So I just came back. These are like everything I came back with. This is what I ordered. I just came. I'm going to be unboxing this and then some other things I got. I actually wanted to repair this, but they told me I have to buy a battery, which I don't have money for. So when I do, I'm going to do that. But this is the item that just came. Let me just give you guys the gist. I went to Cold Stone to get this stuff. Then I wanted to get the pizza first. I got it, and I was making a vlog, so it was okay. And I don't understand who will disturb you if you go somewhere and then you're making a video or something. You get. It was time for me to go get Cold Stone, and then when I went, I asked the guy, please. I actually asked the guy that was going to serve me. I asked him, can I make a video? Can I put my tripod on your stand? Because there was a particular shelf there, so I asked the guy if I can put the tripod there with my phone, and he said, sure, no problem, I can go ahead. The lady just came in. She was an employee there, and then she said, why are you making video? This is not allowed here. Please end the video. Please end the video. And I was like, okay, but this is not the way you're supposed to talk to me if that is not allowed, because I actually asked this other guy, and then he told me to do the video if I want to. So I went ahead. And then she was like, that's how people came here yesterday, and then people that were fighting, they made video of it. Now it's on the internet, it's on Instagram, it's everywhere. Then she was saying all those things. But the only thing I thought was, I took permission from this guy, and then he told me to film. And even if you want to talk to me, that's not the way you're supposed to talk to me. Then she left. She went to the other side. She was now talking to the employees there, telling them what is happening, that I was making a video, and that was how people came yesterday. Because I was hearing everything she was saying, because she was not far from me, you get. So at that point, she continued like that. The guy was still making the ice cream, because I actually got 2 of this. So he was still making the ice cream. And then at that point when he was doing that, I was like, man, you have said this thing and I've heard. Can you stop talking about this thing, because you're getting me upset? She was like, am I the one she's talking to? I said, even if I'm not the one you're talking to, stop saying it when I'm here. Stop saying it for me to hear, because this thing is getting me upset already. At that point, I was not happy, because I now thought that if I did not take a permission from this guy, this thing would have been different. But I took permission from your fellow employee, and then he told me to go ahead. This is why you're not here making me feel as if I was really not happy and all. Then another guy, I don't know if manager or so, then he came and he was like, I should not get angry and this and that and that. Even the guy that was serving me the ice, even talking to the lady, there's something about me. I don't like shouting at people outside, especially when I know this person is not my mate. I don't really like raising my voice at those people. So most times when I don't start doing that things, it makes me feel as if I want to cry. Literally, I would have cried in that place, because I was not happy. And the guy asked them to put extra something for me. Today's Cold Stone pizza was sponsored by my brother. Hey guys, I really did not feel good that I raised my voice at somebody today, because I don't like it. It makes me feel bad. Sometimes it's good to just speak out, yeah, because what she was doing was not right. So I just decided to just pour my mind. Let's do the unboxing now. This is the baby that I got from Makeup Quarters.
1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. 1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip.
Also got, guys, I'm so excited though. Hey, I'm so happy for everything that is here right now. Like, I'm so grateful to God, because I really wanted all of this.
If it hurts a bit,
Also got this
think I will be fine.
wash.
24/7, all I do is
I got a rose spray. Then my American moisturizer. I love this moisturizer so much. I also got this primer. Then I also got my Zawan oil period classifier. Then I got the lashes glue. Then I got my cleaning water. I also got my Kiss Beauty makeup spray. Very, very affordable and toffee coater. That's what I ordered. Then I got a reflector. Let's see how this is going to be. my goodness. You can see any difference. So this is me without a reflector, and then this is me with a reflector. Is there a difference? Me with reflector. This is me without reflector. This is me with the reflector. I think there's a difference. Reflector, no reflector. Reflector. I think there's a difference. So yes, I got this, guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. God, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I got my gift from Makeup Quarters. So I ordered all of this during Christmas, and then she was having like the other things up to 25,000. You get her booking book. So this is how it is. It's for Makeup Quarters, and this is how the inside is. And all of this thing just came out from later, but then this is a disposable eyeliner brush. I wanted to get the non-disposable one and this one, but then non-disposable one was not available, so I decided to just get this one alone. Then I went to the supermarket, and then I got her own primer. She did not have, so I had to get this one. So this was for like, I think, how much here? 3.8. I really love this primer so much. This is also very nice, but then when I mix everything I want to mix, I really do not like the finish this one gives to me, but this comes out very well. But if I don't do all the plenty mixture on the face before the foundation, this should go perfectly. Just primer, foundation, this should work. So I also got this wax pad, and I got my vitamin C serum. So for my Avila vitamin C serum, I actually stopped using it because whenever I want to get an Avila vitamin C serum, I have to pay for the serum, I have to pay for delivery. When I'm just getting a serum of 3K, I'll pay delivery of like 2K. So there was really no need for all of that. So I switched to this serum. I have one already that I'm done with that one. So this is the second one. I went to my cosmetic store, and then the guy advised me to take this one. So I've used one already, and it has been very lovely for me. Still as perfect as Avila, so, and it's still for the same price. This is 3K, so why not I go with it. So this is it. It's from Mood. How it came. It is so lovely, guys. This is like everything I have for the unboxing. Let me just go and clear this place up, and I still have to make beans today. Momsy called me when I was out and told me, Chomaka, please make beans. I'm planting. What can I do? So I'm going to hit you up later. Bye guys.